Now let's quickly implement the click event for the upload banner button. So go to the project, and here on our home screen where we have upload banner button, now what we can do is right click on view, new. Let's create a new folder. First we will give it name as main underscore screens, and inside the main screens, first of all drag this home screen inside the main screen. Okay, so let's drag it inside the main screens. Click refactor. So now it is inside the main screen, as you can see. Now let's create another screen. Right click on main screens, new, and let's create dot file. We can create banner underscore screen, banner screen dot import material dot create stateful widget banner screen. For now what we can do is we will simply add a scaffold widget in which we will add a bar, and we will call here our my app bar, which is a reusable widget. And to this, we have to pass title message, you can say upload banners, and then of course we want to show the back button, so it will be true. So now let's test our application to see how it looks. So if I click on upload banner, okay, we have to add here the click event. So you can say navigator dot push material page route, and it is our banner screen. So now let's test our application. If I click on upload banner, here we go, I am on the upload banner screen. If I click on this back button, I go back to the previous screen.